Pope Donus, the 78th Pope, strengthened church unity by reconciling with the Archbishop of Ravenna and restoring ties with Constantinople. He also led significant restoration efforts, beautifying key churches in Rome, including St. Peter's Basilica. Welcome to the Pontiff, presented to you by CNewsLive. Pope Donus, the 78th Pope, was born in Rome around AD 610 in the Byzantine Empire. Donus is one of the few to have used the same name both before and after becoming Pope. Before his election, he served as a cardinal deacon and was later elevated to a cardinal in AD 673. Following the death of Pope Adeodatus II, Donus was elected as the new head of the church in August AD 676. However, he had to wait about 3 months for the emperor's approval before being consecrated as Bishop of Rome on November 2nd, AD 676. During his brief papal reign of 525 days, Pope Donus issued appointments for 5 new deacons, 12 priests and 6 bishops, whom he sent to serve in various sees across Europe. He also undertook significant efforts to restore churches and ecclesiastical institutions. He commissioned the construction of an atrium at the old St. Peter's Basilica using large bricks made from Italian marble, and he initiated restoration efforts at the Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls and several smaller churches around Rome. Recognizing a threat to the church, Pope Donus took action against a group of Syrian monks settled in a monastery in Rome who were spreading the Nestorian heresy. He replaced them with monks who upheld the canonical teachings and faith of the church, while transferring the Nestorian monks to other monasteries. Although the church faced tensions with Constantinople during his time, Pope Donus helped ease those difficulties. He reconciled with the Archbishop of Ravenna, leading the Metropolitan to renounce claims of complete independence and acknowledge the authority and primacy of Rome. In addition, Donus permitted archbishops in Constantinople to resume offering communion and restore the name of certain clergy who had been removed from official records due to their past alignment with Constantinople. Pope Donus was in office when Emperor Constantine IV was making efforts to combat the Monothelite heresy and free the Eastern Church from its influence. He called for a council to address theological crisis, but before such deliberations could begin, he passed away on April 11, 678. Pope Donus was laid to eternal rest in St. Peter's Basilica. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Join us next time to learn about the next Pontiff. Until then, this is Meghna Johnson signing off for CNewsLive.